Hello guys, so back to it. This is number 16 I believe, and I'm going to continue with the male drawings for today. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. They are all good speed. Some I managed to finish, some I didn't, purely because I just ran out of time. So for each of them I am trying to take on the mindset of they're not a complete failure, and there are certain parts of the drawings that are a positive feature. So the first one, I didn't think the first one was turning out when I was actually drawing it. I thought the jaw was far too boxy, but it turns out the model was actually quite he had quite a prominent jaw. So when I actually looked at it, it could have been done very slightly slimmed here, but that's about it. And I started to beat myself up about it, but I tried to stop that and looked at the positive aspects of it. So really chiseled cheekbones, really luscious lips, and prominent eyebrows, as well as quite a thick neck. I do believe, I couldn't tell, but I think the male model was enjoys going to the gym, so really quite muscular, but you can't see it. It's literally just a head shot. So on that note, I ran out of time to complete it, so complete the hair, but I did use the geometric and observational methods, and again slightly heavy handed with the pencil. I really need to make a more conscious effort to stop doing that, so that's one thing that I really do need to concentrate on. Number 2, I prefer the nose for number 2, but the lips for number 1. I don't really like the lips for this one. I was going to go back and fix them, but I was trying to complete the actual whole look, so I thought just leave it and learn from it. So yeah, because every day's a school day, I'm trying to learn at the same time as well. Good speed. As I said, need to improve the mouth, and I actually simplified and put less detail into the eyes this time. In the past 2 times, I don't know whether you can tell, I'm trying to get away from more lines, because the more lines that you put down, it's more becoming a drawing instead of an actual sketch, which is the whole point of this, is to actually just sketch so that you can get better at proportions, structure, and the fundamentals of art. And sketching is the first element of it when you're actually going to be preparing a future drawing or painting or charcoal or whatever. So yeah. And number 2 was Loomis and geometric, primarily with a slight bit of gestural. The third and final one, I actually really quite like. Between the first and the third, I believe that I managed to get the look as well as capture the actual model. Same methods and same simplification, and I'm really quite happy with it, and I can actually see that my drawings are coming away from kind of cartoony, almost comic-y, but not in a good comic way, kind of style. So I'm really quite happy with the improvements that I am making. As always, leave me a comment and like and subscribe, and let me know the topics that you like to draw to push your boundaries and push your comfort zone, because at the end of the day, if you're trying to draw and trying to improve your skills, don't stick to the one topic and keep pushing it and see the gains. So, yep, see you next time. Bye!